Choosing a ductless mini split in Kansas City, Missouri is a great choice. Choosing Climate Control as your ductless contractor is a winning combination. With a Daikin Ductless mini split system, they can heat and cool any home, and they'll do it anytime, every day. Ductless heating and ductless cooling offers true home comfort. If you like to save money, a ductless heat pump can help because they offer super high efficiencies. Many homeowners save up to 50% on their utility bill. You may even qualify for rebates and incentives. Do you have one room that's either too hot or too cold? Ductless is the answer. Would you like to heat and cool your whole house in a more efficient way? Ductless is the answer. Find out if ductless is right for you. Going ductless in Kansas City, Missouri will help you save money, save energy, and increase your home comfort. Call Climate Control today, 816-781-1997.